In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, on your Shopify account to enhance your account's security. With more and more business being conducted online, it's crucial to protect your valuable information. Enabling 2FA is an excellent way to add an extra layer of security, and I'll walk you through the process using an authenticator app, which is the most common method. First, you'll need to log into your Shopify admin, which is essentially the back end of your online store. Once you're in, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen where you'll find the Settings menu. Click on Settings and then navigate to your profile. This opens up a new tab. From there, you'll want to go into the Security section. Once inside the Security section, you'll see an option labeled Two-Step Authentication. Click on Turn on Two-Step. Before proceeding, Shopify will prompt you to enter your password again for security purposes. After entering your password, click on Next to move forward. Now you'll come across a list labeled Authentication Method. From this list, select the option for Authenticator app. If you're wondering what this means, an Authenticator app is an app on your smartphone that generates secure codes for signing in. With the Authenticator app option selected, grab your mobile device and open your Authenticator application. This could be something like Google Authenticator or Duo Mobile, for instance. Inside the app, you'll be able to scan QR codes. Use it to scan the QR code displayed on your Shopify screen. Once scanned, the Authenticator app will generate a 6-digit code. Enter this code back in the Shopify interface that you're working with, then click on Turn on. This step essentially links your Shopify account directly to the authentication app via that 6-digit code. Although optional, setting up a backup authentication method is a step I strongly recommend. This backup will be crucial in case something happens to your primary method of authentication. Shopify will also provide you with a set of recovery codes. These codes are incredibly important. If your device is lost or you can't access the Authenticator app for any reason, these codes will help you regain access to your account. Make sure to save them somewhere safe, like a password manager, or keep a printed copy in a secure location. And that's it. Moving forward, every time you log into your Shopify account, you'll need both your password and the code generated by your Authenticator app. This additional step might seem small, but goes a long way in keeping your account ultra secure. These precautions can make all the difference in safeguarding your business against unauthorized access. So, take a moment to enable 2FA and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your account is more secure than ever.